Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest and greatest from SpaceX. They've been absolutely killing it lately, pushing the boundaries of space exploration and technology like never before. From groundbreaking discoveries to cutting-edge inventions, we've got it all covered. Let's get started. Alright, so first up, let's talk about SpaceX's latest mission. I'm talking fresh off the launch pad, still warm from the rocket exhaust kind of stuff. Now, each mission has a specific objective, right? It could be deploying satellites, transporting cargo to the ISS, or even pushing the boundaries of human spaceflight. And let me tell you, the goals of this mission are seriously ambitious. We're talking about mention-specific objective of the latest mission. For example, deploying a new generation of Starlink satellites or testing a crucial component of Starship. This is a big deal because explain why the mission objective is significant in the context of space exploration. But it's not just about the what, it's about the how. We're gonna break down the entire mission profile step by step. From the initial launch sequence with those Merlin engines roaring to life, to the precise orbital maneuvers and of course the all-important landing. Because, let's be real, SpaceX's reusable rocket technology is a game changer. It's like the difference between scrapping your car after every road trip and just refueling it. And speaking of the tech, we gotta talk about the Falcon 9 for a second. This rocket has become SpaceX's workhorse, and for good reason. It's reliable, powerful, and reusable. They've really nailed the whole vertical landing thing, haven't they? It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's happening right here, right now. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, okay, another successful mission, that's cool and all, but what's the big deal? Well, each mission, each launch is a stepping stone. It's all part of SpaceX's grand plan to make life multi-planetary, to push the boundaries of what's possible, and that's what makes this latest mission so exciting. It's not just about achieving one objective, it's about contributing to a much larger vision. Okay, so we've talked about their latest mission, but SpaceX isn't just about launching rockets. They're constantly innovating, coming up with new technologies that sound like they're straight out of a science fiction novel. And their latest invention is no exception. It's called Mention the Name of the Invention. And trust me, this thing is a game changer. So what exactly does it do? In a nutshell, it explains the invention's function and purpose. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but how does that compare to existing technologies? Well, here's the thing. Explain how the invention surpasses current technologies and its advantages. It's like comparing a smartphone to a rotary phone. It's a whole new level of sophistication and efficiency. But let's dive a little deeper into how it actually works. Provide a detailed breakdown of the invention's mechanics and how it achieves its function. It's seriously impressive stuff. And the best part? This isn't just some pie-in-the-sky concept. SpaceX has already mentioned any testing or implementation plans for the invention. Now, I know what you're thinking. What does this mean for the future of space travel? Well, in a word, everything. This invention has the potential to discuss the long-term impact of the invention on space exploration, for example, making space travel more accessible, enabling more ambitious missions, etc. It's like opening up a whole new chapter in humanity's journey beyond Earth. Alright, so SpaceX is known for pushing the boundaries of technology, right? But they've just outdone themselves with this latest upgrade. I'm talking about a significant improvement to the Raptor engine. This is huge because the Raptor engine is crucial to SpaceX's operations, providing the power needed for their ambitious missions. Now let's get into the specifics of this upgrade. What exactly did they change? Well, for starters, they increased the engine's thrust and efficiency. This results in higher performance and greater reliability. To put it into perspective, imagine upgrading your car's engine to make it twice as powerful and twice as fuel efficient. It's a pretty big deal, but the real question is, why is this upgrade such a game changer? Well, for SpaceX, it means they can increase payload capacity, reduce launch costs, and enhance spacecraft capabilities. This upgrade is a major step forward. But it's not just about SpaceX. This technology could have ripple effects throughout the entire space industry. Imagine other space companies and research institutions adopting similar advancements. It's like setting a new standard for what's possible in space technology. So, we've covered SpaceX's latest mission, their groundbreaking invention and their impressive technology upgrade. But what's next for this ambitious company? Well, buckle up because SpaceX's future plans are even more audacious than what they've accomplished so far. Their ultimate goal, as you might already know, is to make humans a multi-planetary species, and Mars is their target. At the heart of this ambition is Starship, SpaceX's next-generation spacecraft designed for interplanetary travel. This fully reusable behemoth is unlike anything we've ever seen. It's designed to carry up to 100 people and cargo to Mars and beyond. Imagine 100 people on a single trip to Mars. That's like a whole colony ship leaving Earth in one go. But Starship isn't just about getting to Mars, it's about staying there. SpaceX envisions building a self-sustaining city on Mars, where humans can live and work independently of Earth. They're talking about creating a whole new branch of human civilization on another planet. Now, that's ambitious. But before we start packing our bags for the red planet, there are a lot of challenges to overcome. SpaceX is currently testing and refining Starship's design and capabilities. They're conducting test flights, pushing the limits of the vehicle, and gathering valuable data with each launch. And it's not just about the hardware. SpaceX is also developing the life support systems, energy production, and infrastructure needed to sustain human life on Mars. They're thinking about everything from growing food on Martian soil to generating power with solar panels. It's a truly multidisciplinary endeavor. So far, we've explored SpaceX's achievements, their innovations, and their ambitious plans for the future. But what's truly remarkable is how their work is shaping the entire space industry. Before SpaceX came along, space exploration was largely the domain of government agencies like NASA, with limited private sector involvement. But Elon Musk and his team at SpaceX had a different vision. They wanted to disrupt the status quo, to make space travel more accessible, affordable, and innovative. And disrupt they did. Their focus on reusable rockets, for example, has significantly lowered the cost of launching payloads into orbit. This has had a ripple effect throughout the industry, making space more accessible to smaller companies, research institutions, and even individual enthusiasts. SpaceX's influence extends beyond just lowering costs. Their relentless pursuit of innovation has pushed other companies to up their game. We're seeing a new era of competition in the space industry, with companies striving to develop more efficient engines, more capable spacecraft, and more ambitious missions. This renewed interest in space exploration is a direct result of SpaceX's influence. They've shown the world that space is no longer an unreachable frontier, but a realm ripe for exploration, innovation, and even commercialization. But perhaps the most significant impact of SpaceX's work is the inspiration it has sparked in people around the world. Their daring missions, groundbreaking technologies, and ambitious goals have reignited our collective fascination with space. They've reminded us that humanity's spirit of exploration is alive and well, and that the stars are not the limit when it comes to what we can achieve. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on SpaceX and other exciting tech news. We're constantly exploring the latest advancements in space exploration, technological innovations, and the future of humanity beyond Earth. From groundbreaking missions to revolutionary inventions, we're dedicated to bringing you the most engaging and informative content about the final frontier. Make sure to subscribe and join us on this incredible journey as we explore the cosmos and uncover the mysteries of the universe. See you next time!